There are lots of varieties of bananas in the world, and we've gone a long way in collecting a lot of them. One of them that was elusive for a long time are these blue Java bananas. And they are actually blue bananas. Got some Pisang Awoks and some other ones delivered, but I found a private collector who was able to deliver these to us. It fruited and fell over, but that's a good start. It means it works, and they're here.
And a lot of flowers are coming in right now. We love this time of year. Look at this gorgeous display of a Rosy Dawn ginger. And as you come down a little bit farther, you'll see a Guyana heliconia. We also have some Alpinia gingers coming in, red ones. To the left, you'll see some Calatheas, rattlesnakes. These are really cool textures. And down under the bridge, we have a lot of Wagnerianas. Gorgeous pink torch. I believe it's called Evita's Rose. It's right here. This one is definitely ready for harvest today. So many beautiful blooms coming in. Check out these ones. These are Aureas, heliconias, and then in the distance here are more microphone or beehive gingers, they call them. These are so cool. Almost look like little mushrooms or something. Here are some of the flowers from this week's order. Some beautiful Wagneriana heliconias. Look at this torch ginger, microphone, more Wagnerianas, a gorgeous white Alpinia, some Guyanas, the Rosy Dawn ginger. It's a gorgeous display. We have some pretty different pineapples, like this variegated pink one, and this is a pink pineapple that's coming in. It's so beautiful. And down here, this hill is the other pineapples. This is a century plant, an agave that's giving lots of little babies. The mother will die, but all of the babies will just be super prolific. Alright, we're having a quick lunch at Olajas in Aguada. It's oceanfront. We have our beer battered shrimp and some chicken tacos. Buen provecho!
Hay que bajarle la siguiente. Cógela, tócala por aquí.
Push me, Daddy.
Whoa, push it forward. Forward. That's backward, that stops it. Make it go forward. Whoa. Today we're at the Gran Parque del Norte in Hatillo, enjoying just kind of a nice family day out. Did some kind of more relaxing adventures. And it's really nice. A lot of people are out. It's a Sunday, so people are out here with their families playing at the park, using the gazebos for parties. They have little rickshaws where people can rent out and pedal themselves around. It's really neat, as well as even a little train. So here's some of the rickshaws coming along right now. Today is also Aeden's first day on a bicycle.
What do you think, buddy? How was your first ride?
You like it, Aeden? ¿Te gusta? That's really good, huh? Something neat about this park is that it also has this long boardwalk, and it even has an overlooking tower, as well as this river outlet. And this river outlet is what divides Kamui from Hatillo. So we're in between two cities right here. So we saw these two rocks here, and it looks like it leads to another abandoned building here in Anasco. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's pretty cool. I like the architecture and the balusters. A little nest in here. It's been taken over by nature for quite some time, it looks to be. See if we can check it out a little bit more closely. Check out this. Wow. What a view. Gosh, it's beautiful. I think I saw that a door was open over here. Through the vines. Hello. Hola. There's a bathroom. Kitchen. Living room area. Couch. The garage looks like maybe somebody was camping up in there. There's the stairs to go up. So only those? Outside ones?
It's like it.
So today we are eating brunch at the English Rose restaurant. It is one of the more famous places to have breakfast or lunch in Rincon. It overlooks a beautiful ocean view in the distance, and it also has really great food. So let's go enjoy a meal. Aeden, our food is here. We got our parfait and some potatoes and our big breakfast burrito. What do we say? Gracias. Buen provecho. Aeden, are you learning? Okay, so here we are at the Lighthouse Park area of Rincon, and there's a bike race going on, like a mountain bike course all through these hills. It's known for the nice course that it has, but today there's an actual competition. I think it's both today and tomorrow. So it's kind of a nice little to watch the bicyclists.
Miguel Aguilar, próxima premiación, Miguel Aguilar. Categoría pueblo, quinto lugar, José Antonio Rivera.
Aeden, there's some Guayas crabs, the blue crabs, and then look at the crab cakes he's making.
What about the coffee?
This is the Carolina flower or shaving brush flower. It just fell off. It opened today. They only last about one day, but you can see it kind of looks like a shaving brush. They're one of the most spectacular flowers you could imagine. Look at those curly things, almost like something out of Dr. Seuss. All of these will open up. This one will probably open tomorrow. This one also. And then these other ones too. So it loses all of its leaves and then it comes up with these beautiful flowers. And then the tree will continue to grow and grow and hopefully have even more flowers as the years come. One of our favorite amazing flowers that we have on our farm. What is that? It's a pretty flower. Two of them.
Look at that bee. Look at that bee.
All right, so we have some of our new flowers for a wedding order. This one is beautiful, a white torch. Then next we have a microphone. These ones smell great. And then a pink torch and a rostrata, which is a pendant that comes in this time of year, as well as all of these other flowers that make up the rest of the order. The Wagnerianas, some alpinias, some more torches, and some more microphones, as well as the greenery. It will be a gorgeous display. Show us the flowers.
We are with a little flower delivery.
We are here at Maria's Beach in Rincon, and we are going to an event at Playa Villa Maria.
So here we are getting Cassie's arm fixed, and Aiden and I are making good use of this time, and he can use his bicycle while we wait. So as you can see, he's getting along fairly well. Still using the training wheels, but soon those will be gone.
I got my other cast taken off and I got a smaller one, so getting downgraded, and my bones are healing well. So shouldn't be long now before I'm free again.